It's officially June, and that means it's time for a mid-year reset. Welcome to my Dream Life Diaries, a series where I'm committed the next 6 months to realign, reset, and transform my life. Join me as I document the journey of becoming the highest version of myself, one intention, one habit, and one day at a time. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Anissa if you're new here. In today's video, it will be the start of my Dream Life Diaries. So I'm pretty much giving myself 6 months to completely change my life, and I want to take you guys along with me. I feel like June, it's a perfect time to really tap into. We are in our mid-year reset, so I wanted to start this series to document my journey as far as implementing the habits, the routines, the things that I want in my life to really align with the highest version of myself. I really love seeing this type of videos. I feel like it really helps me on my journey, so I hope this video also helps you guys get inspired, whether you also have goals that you want to accomplish when it comes to just like being intentional and really setting a foundation and a routine for myself to go after set goals. I've always been the type of person to really have big dreams, really big goals for myself. For me, means, having financial freedom. That means having the freedom to travel when I would like to, having the freedom to create and pour into my passions and my hobbies, and being in, good health, in good shape. How I can just show up and prioritize my overall well-being when it comes to physical, mental, spiritual, emotional. I really want to just show you guys just my process of how I'm doing that, starting from June to December, of how I can really incorporate these different things in my life to really be intentional and to really go after my dream life. I hope you guys will enjoy this series. I'm really excited to see how far I've come by the end of the year. And so as the videos go on, I'm definitely gonna keep sharing with you guys like just different things that I'm working towards. One of my biggest goals this year is to really level up my content creation. As you guys know, I've been creating content for maybe almost a decade now. I started on YouTube back in 2017, I would say, but I've always loved, creating content. I loved always making videos and just creating. I made that goal last year to really take my content creation seriously and actually see where I can go with it. So I've really been working hard to create a consistent schedule for myself. So posting consistently on all my platforms, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. But my goal is to get monetized on YouTube. Also to work with some of my favorite brands I feel like are aligned to my mission as well. But overall, my goal is just to create community, foster community, and really inspire women who look like me to really go after their dream lives, because I feel like that's what helped me and inspired me in my life. So I really want to be that example for others. In this video, I'm going to be working on the business side of things when it comes to content. So I'm in dire need of updating my website. I also need to work on filming and shooting some UGC content. I'm also going to go to Trader Joe's and pretty much just showing you guys the habits and routines that I am doing every single day to get me closer and closer to my dream life. So let's go ahead and start my stretching, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I just finished eating breakfast, and I wanted to show you guys a book that I'm gonna start reading soon. This is 101 Essays That Would Change the Way You Think by Brianna Wiest. I read The Mountain Is You from her. That one was really good about how to stop self-sabotaging. As you guys know, I was deep in my self-help book era for the past 3-4 years. I feel like once you've read a bunch of self-help books, they kind of all sound the same in a sense. I kind of outgrew that, but I definitely think it's still good to read some every now and then. I want to implement this into my morning routine. So after I finish doing my journaling, I want to read at least one chapter a day from this book, just to help refresh myself and to help feel inspired and to keep pushing through, because I feel like if you're not constantly being fed positivity or just messages that encourage you and make you want to continue to go, it's easy to get sidetracked. So I think just having this implemented in my morning routine will be very helpful. I also read my fiction books and my fantasy and other books as well too, but I think having this as part of my morning routine will really help set me up for the day. I'm gonna start this soon. It's been on my TBR for forever, honestly. It's been on my TBR for like a year. I bought this book a year ago. It was just been collecting dust in my library, so I'm glad that I finally get the chance to read it. Today I want to work on a little bit of my mid-year reset, which means I'm going to be reflecting on my goals for 2025, seeing where I'm at, seeing where I want to let go of, seeing where I want to improve. I need to just like plan out my month and just doing all the little admin things to keep me on track. Yeah, let's go ahead and have a productive day. My friend put me onto that has really like helped me a lot when it comes to just like reprogramming your subconscious mind is recording yourself saying affirmations and then having it playing when you're doing like your skincare routine, you're cooking, you're doing whatever. And y'all, it's honestly been a game changer. I record myself saying different affirmations for like different things in my life. Every morning when I do my skincare routine, I just have it playing in the background and I feel like it really helps set me up for the day. It makes me feel really good. I used to just have affirmations like written down somewhere and I would have it or printed out around me and I would just like physically read it. But I feel like after time, it was starting to feel like a chore having to constantly read it like all the way down like the list. But I feel like just recording yourself and just playing it is so much more easier and helpful. It's a great way to just habit stack. You don't have to record yourself doing affirmations. You can just like pull up anything on YouTube as well too, but it's definitely been a game changer. Okay, so I just finished writing out my monthly calendar for June, and now I'm going to go ahead and review my 2025 goals for the year. So I have everything on my iPad, so I pretty much just write everything down and then I check off as I go on. I delete things that don't make sense for me anymore and things like that. And I also have everything done in quarterly goals. I give myself 12 weeks to focus on a few like specific goals and then the next quarter other goals. So as I'm looking at my list, I already actually completed a few things, so I'm gonna check them off right now. Some of them don't make sense for me that I'm gonna go ahead and delete. So deleting this one. So one of my goals was to get accepted into the creator rewards program for TikTok, but after seeing like people's experiences in it, I kind of was like, I don't know if I should join it or not. So I hit 10K, I believe like the beginning or like the middle of May, but you only get rewarded for qualifying videos that are over a minute. I rarely make any videos on TikTok that are more than a minute, and also I heard that they suppress your views as well too. In all, it didn't really make sense for me to join the program because I just feel like I would be losing more than gaining. Maybe I'll change my mind, maybe I won't, we'll see. But as far as right now, I'm kind of like holding off on joining. That's one of the goals that I'm deleting off of my iPad. So deleting that. Another one, deleting this one as well too, and you guys will see in my next video of this next one. So I'm not gonna like mention it now, but deleting one of these other goals that don't also make sense. But yeah, okay, we're gonna check this one off. And yeah, I definitely feel like I'm on track as far as my goals. Definitely could do better in the finance area, but we'll get there eventually. A lot of these things are also like in progress, I would say. They're not officially in my reality, but I am making progress towards them. I feel pretty good at where I'm at as far as my goals go. All right guys, let's do a quick PR haul. I've actually opened up a few of them already because I was so excited. One of these I actually ordered for myself. So the first thing that I got is from TikTok shop. I got this red light therapy mask. I've been seeing this everywhere and I've been wanting to get one. This is from the brand, it doesn't really say on the top. The manufacturer is Shenzhen Wells. So maybe if I find it, I'll put it on the screen. But I got this. Let's go ahead and open it up. Like red light therapy has so many benefits just for skincare. It helps produce like collagen. It helps with like fine line and wrinkles. It helps with just like overall wellness, I would say. But this is a mask. This is definitely giving me like Jabberwocky vibes. But that's the mask. And then the charger. And then like an instruction manual comes with it too. But I'm definitely excited to try out this tonight. The next package is from Disney X Touchland, which I was so excited about. I actually put myself on the wait list for this drop because I was like really excited. They reached out to me like before it officially dropped, and they wanted to send me products, but I didn't know it was gonna be like the Disney collab. So when I found out that I actually got the Disney sanitizer, I was like super happy and grateful and excited. This is how it looks. It says Disney Touchland, an essential that sparks magic. Here's the card that comes with it. Really cute. And you guys, here's the sanitizer. It's so cute. It has little Mickey ears. That's the back. And the scent is a wild watermelon. It smells so good. Honestly, one of my favorite scents, I think, from Touchland. But thank you, Touchland. The next item that I got is from Kaja. I got the Kaja lip oil. This is in the shade Cherry Cola. Okay, so this is lip oil. It's so cute. It has like a little like cutesy, there's like a little heart in here. It's like very satisfying. It's like a little charm. It's so cute. It says made with heart and soul, like literally like soul. That's how it looks. I'm actually gonna make a video with this sometime this week, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in its box. Thank you, Kaja. And the last thing that I got is from L'Oreal Paris. Okay, so I got the Revitalift Triple Power Anti-Aging U Moisturizer. It came with this card. I kind of got messed up in the mail. This is how it looks. It also has SPF 30 in it, which I love. So I think it's a sunscreen. Yeah, it's a sunscreen plus moisturizer. Thank you, L'Oreal. Thank you to all the brands that sent me packages. You guys, I'm really grateful, honestly. There's a time where I was getting like no packages at all. And now I feel like I'm at a point where I'm consistently getting things. So I'm always grateful to brands that reach out and show love. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another productive day building my dream life. Hey guys, just got back home from the gym and Trader Joe's. I actually also ran a couple of errands as well too, but I'm gonna do a quick little haul for you guys from Trader Joe's. I actually got the bag that everyone was going crazy over. I'm like, this can't be the bag that y'all was going absolutely insane for. Maybe it was like a different, I guess, colors that were launched. My Trader Joe's was so empty, but I got this bag. I'm always at Trader Joe's. Might as well just invest into a bag instead of, you know, wasting the paper bags and plastic and whatnot. So it's pretty cute. So it was like $2 or $3. And then I got like a few things. It's actually been a while since I've been to Trader Joe's, but I got my usuals, just flowers for my office and for my living room. And then I got eucalyptus for my shower. You guys already know my favorite popcorn is this on the movie theater popcorn by Trader Joe's brand. So good. Also got some tortilla chips. Then we have some eggs. I'll just get the Omega large brown organic eggs. We have some uncured turkey bacon, some blueberries, strawberries. I got this wellness shot. This is the pineapple probiotic. So got that. And then last but not least, I got the honey walnut shrimp. So just a small Trader Joe's haul. I went shopping from Aldi to get like my bulk groceries where I get a majority of my stuff. So I only really got small things like my favorite snacks and re-upping on some of my breakfast things, things like that. But anyway, I'm gonna put these away. I also wanna take this probiotic now. And then I actually want to start working on today filming some content for my portfolio. I want to update my website and really get things together for just like my media kit. I'm gonna go ahead and put these away. I'll show you guys like more behind the scenes of updating my portfolio. You guys, I've been reading The Fourth Wing on audiobook. Right now I'm like 2.5 hours in so far, but it's so good.